Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Handy Danny, and I'm not really going to be in this video too much today. Not my face, I'm sure you'll miss me. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. If you haven't joined the membership program, make sure you do so. But I have ever built, right here, a door bump. You ever had a door handle just start busting into your wall? And that is like the most annoying thing in the world. Just cut this open. Your hands are jewels, not tools. Use a knife for things that a knife is supposed to cut, okay? So we're gonna get this guy opened up. And as you can see here, we have a little bit of a hardware pack as far as a screw and an anchor, okay? This right here is trash. Throw it away. It's just useless. It's the raggediest stuff in the world. I tell you, it's like, I don't know how they find a way to make such trash, but I'm gonna show you how to line this up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna stick it back here on the handle, okay? Right where the handle hits, and I just kind of hold it. I'm using a number 2 impact drill. You can use a hand screwdriver when it comes to this if you need to. And I just kind of push it in there and then I back it out. Now I got my hole exactly where it goes, and sometimes I send my tip in there to really open up that hole a little bit more. All right, so what I have here is a easy anchor, and you can find all this material down below when it comes to where to get this stuff and how to get this stuff, okay? With this little easy anchor, I love these guys. I just pop this guy in here, and sometimes there's metal behind the wall. And if this anchor starts to bounce back, it says metal behind the wall, and I have another solution for that. However, we're gonna try this out right here and see what happens. Okay, dropped in there nice and smooth. Didn't have to get a longer screw because of the metal behind the wall. Now I get my little bump right here. My screw's already halfway through it. Don't even have to take it apart. You know, you can if you want to, but you don't have to. Nobody looks down through this hole to see the screw still being exposed, but you can hide the screw if you want to. Pop that on there. Nice and snug. You don't have to wait for a gurgle with your impact. Just nice and snug. It's up there, it's secure. As I open the door now, boom, no more holes in the wall. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join my membership, because a lot of this information, a lot of this stuff that I'm showing you guys, I'm going to start putting it behind the membership program, to where if you're a homeowner, you're an investor, if you're a professional and you want to learn how to do these things for your own home or as a trade, you'll have the skill to do it, and it's very inexpensive. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.